Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of replacing the potentiometer in your Thermomix TM5. This repair can restore functionality and enhance your cooking experience. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the following tools ready. 1. A small Phillips screwdriver. 2. A flathead screwdriver. 3. A pair of tweezers. 4. A clean cloth for dusting. 5. A plastic spudger. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM5 to ensure safety. Safety should always be your top priority. Next, place the device on a clean, flat surface to prevent any accidental damage during the repair. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the Thermomix. There are usually 4 screws, make sure to keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. Now, you'll see the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris in this area with your cloth. A clean workspace will ensure your device operates smoothly after the repair. Locate the potentiometer, which is typically situated near the control panel. It may be connected with wires, so be careful not to pull too hard. If you find it challenging to access, you can use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry off any small clips holding it in place. Once you have clear access, take your tweezers to disconnect the wires from the potentiometer. Remember to note the arrangement of the wires, as you will need to reconnect them in the same order later. If you don't have the tools or the time to do this yourself, keep in mind that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Just reach out to us. Next, remove the old potentiometer by unscrewing it from its mount. Now, take your new potentiometer and secure it in place using the same screws you removed earlier. It's crucial to ensure it's firmly attached to avoid issues later. Reconnect the wires according to the configuration you noted earlier. If you're unsure, refer to your Thermomix manual for guidance. This step is essential for the proper functioning of your device. After the wiring is connected, carefully replace the base cover. Ensure that all components are aligned correctly before securing it back with the screws. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, remember our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to travel or make any calls if you prefer not to. Once the base is secured, plug in your Thermomix TM5 and power it on. Check that the control panel responds correctly to your inputs. If everything is functioning as expected, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the potentiometer. If you notice any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair so you can make informed decisions without pressure. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Enjoy your revitalized Thermomix TM5. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.